So this is the third time Mukwala is scoring against Berekum Chelsea. Last season when Kotoko beat Chelsea 2-1 in Kumasi, he scored alongside Zeze. Moise Paute unable to make contact, but he grabs it this time. Penalty against Asante Kotoko. Referee adjudges the tackle of Moise Paute to be a foul. He went in for the ball. He seemed to have made contact, a significant contact with Amankona. But the big question is it enough for a penalty call? They see Amankona screaming there. Referee Awurisa whistles. Amankona steps forward. And Amankona scores and equalizes against Asante Kotoko. It's Chelsea 1. Asante Kotoko 1. His 13th of the season. Stephen Amankona, the legend of Berekum Chelsea, already